I often call this parsley pesto gold in my refrigerator. And the reason that I call it that is because it just sits in there waiting to add great flavor to all manner of things. I like to toss it into my farro when I cook it and I make a salad. I like to add it to salad dressings. I use it as a topping on grilled chicken, so it's good for lots of things. So to begin, we're going to start off by adding our nuts, our garlic, and our greens. We're going to use about an even mixture of basil and parsley. Put the lid on, and we're going to process this until it's nicely blended, and I'm going to feed the oil through the tube so that it emulsifies and holds together and doesn't separate later. So here we go. There we go. We've got a few more things to add though. These are the things that make it taste really delicious. We're going to add some cheese, some Parmesan cheese, freshly grated, a little bit of lemon, and I like to squeeze my lemon, half lemon, with a fork. It just kind of helps me to get the juice out a little bit better. Just a little bit of lemon. It's an acid, right? And a little bit of salt. And I like more than a little bit of salt sometimes. And some pepper. Here we go again. And this is just going to blend it. All done. And this is parsley pesto. To keep it, I'll often put it in a deli container like this and throw it in my refrigerator with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top to keep it fresh. And it'll keep it this way for a week or so in your refrigerator. If you're worried that you can't use it all that fast, what you want to do is get a scoop and scoop dollops and pop them on a parchment-lined sheet pan like this. So then what you'll do is you'll put this sheet pan in the freezer and allow these little dollops of pesto to freeze solid. And once they're frozen solid, you want to put them in a Ziploc freezer bag so that you can keep them for months at a time, popping out just the amount that you need in order to make whatever recipe you're making.